This next song is one for the kids, for the sad kids anyways. It's called Animal Noises, and it goes like this. There's a mother cow on a pasture in the sunshine. It's the springtime, and there's her little calf right beside her. See his bright eyes reflect the blue skies. There's a detail I've forgotten. The mother's milk is rotten, and it draws in flies as her baby dies. And the mother's heart is shaking, for it's his life she has taken. And the teardrops stream as she clops and screams. Moo, moo. The lonely cow says moo. There's another whale in the ocean, making big waves from its sea spray. And there's her giant calf right behind her, a new cetacean, his first migration. Well, that shape is not a porpoise, it's a pack of hungry orcas. They rear their heads and tear her boy to shreds. And the mother must keep swimming, even as his life is dimming. Nothing she can do against 12 Shamus. Something jumps ahead, and I go over as it goes under. It makes me wonder, and so I stopped to look real quick, and what I saw made me feel sick. A big red splat that used to be a cat, and I thought that she was dead, but she turned her little head. She cried out to me, and this is what she said.